ждали.
А, ты записываешь?
Okay guys, so finally I'm in a unibike. So here I am. Natalie is over there.
Hello.
And we have the first test drive in this unibike. What I can say, so it's amazing. So there's enough place even for my legs, and we are not speeding up. So here you can see
Nice view.
what we have, and the unibike actually goes very smoothly, quiet, so there are no any shaking to one side or another, and you can see that it's also not threatening us, you know, from the high, so it's pretty cool.
And
Here,
there is a wow factor because you actually.
so now we are going back. So I just asked, you know, to have the first ride, because this is amazing. What I can say, I hope that very soon we will see this in Ireland, fully operated, because Natalie is there, and we have the delegation from Ireland, so who came, and basically they're so impressed of what we achieved so far, that I really hope that one day it will be around the world. So we approach the station. Take care, guys. So I will write video later on.